Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really quick and easy dry brush and nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and then I'm going to swipe on blue and a neon yellow. I just thought this color combo really came out so pretty. It's like a perfect summertime color, and I've seen that a lot of you guys like my dry brush designs. I guess because it's quick and easy, which is understandable. You don't want to spend all day doing nail design. So I appreciate it. Once I was done, I'm using my Born Pretty BP-L017 nail plate. The plate is like a beach theme plate. So I decided to add black polish onto this. I guess it's like seaweed nail design. I just thought the black on top of the blue and yellow, and of course the white, just came out so perfect. I have to say I love the look of it. It's a really fun look. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex, I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.